It's a 2014 Chevrolet Silverado 1500, equal parts suave and stout. This multitasking Silverado is a powerful personality. It comes with features you need, and better yet, want. V8 engine, sport suspension, automatic transmission, aluminum wheels, external memory control, remote engine start, leather steering wheel, metallic paint, electronic shift on the fly, and power heated mirrors. Chevy, 100 years of icons. Hurry in today and see it for yourself.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.